Meet John, the CEO of a manufacturing industry. John believes that it has become crucial to meet necessary competencies required for industry-leading clients in today's fast-moving, fluid world. To check that whether he and his industry are up to speed, John looks forward to ASI Consulting Group that offers unbiased leadership and strategic execution through a broad portfolio of quality management and performance improvement consulting services. They help improve John's competitive position by ensuring that he's receiving high-impact value for every service offering we deliver, each time, every time. They focus on what really matters, thinking big while working lean, and mobilizing industry's own forces for change. Their solutions help John's industry by minimizing product development costs, reducing product time to market, eliminating waste, and efficiently increasing customer satisfaction, revenue, overall productivity, and the benefits are measured and quantified in terms of money, time, and resources. That's how ASI Consulting offers a truly unbiased, highly candid third-party approach to improving John's industry. So be smart like John. Choose ASI Consulting. You can call ASI at 248-530-1395. jody.caldwell@asiusa.com. asiusa.com.